Okay guys, crossing a bridge to the Bangladesh, to the bumper cars. I think it's this way, yeah. So you can have, here is also this bumper cars. You can, we call it also what? Karting cars. So let's do it. Few rounds of bumper cars. Hello, hello. May I drive a few rounds? Okay. What do I do? I use helmet or?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Let's do it then. So here it is. Karting car, bumper car, K&K. This is what I'm gonna try after a moment. Okay. Thank you. So before I put the helmet, you will use this. Oh, I will go on. So it's like this. How do I look? I think I look like a chef. Could cook, bake a cake or something. Like a turunpai. Okay, then helmet. Okay. Sweet. Nicely. Safety, obviously first. Can I do it with one hand? Yes, I can do it on. Alright, let's rock and roll. Bumper car here in Meghalaya. Fun park. Fully enjoy.
Single?
Yes, single. Yes. This one?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's this one on. I sit down?
Yeah, you.
Okay. Actually guys, I don't know if I have seen in my videos, Finnish people are one of the best in the whole world in the motorsports. So if you don't believe me, you can only Google it. We have a F1 drivers, we have a rally drivers, we have all kind of drivers. Motorsport are in our hearts. That's what it is. Let's go.
This is us, okay?
Yes,
This is brake.
and brake, and not at the same time, no? Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Definitely ready. Let's go. Just take my slippers out. I don't know if you can hear me nicely, but we're just gonna go only. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay, mentang you don't have a bumper car. First time Elina, first time together.
Yes, first time.
What is this still on your head?
I still have it on my head.
Yes.
No, you should.
No, you should be.
Okay.
Oh, because you're gonna.
I can do like this. Come on. Okay, so actually I thought that those were bumper cars, but they are karting cars.
That is the sports car.
Sports car, like a karting car.
Just we gonna hit. Oh,
Come on.
let's go. I will try.
You will drive or what? Watch out, papa. Hey. Alright, go. Oh, me. Oh, that's what it is when the woman is driving the vehicle.
You press
press only. I press only. Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel.
Yeah, I want to
Like
do
this.
this.
Up
Hold
low.
up.
You drive only. You drive only. It is, that's why I said. Turn the wheel, turn the wheel, turn the wheel, turn the wheel, turn the wheel.
I enjoy this bumper car.
She's so excited! Turn the wheel, turn the wheel, turn the wheel! She's like a killer!
Go back, boys! Go back, boys!
Hey guys, where you have got your driving license? Eh? Where you have got your driving license here? Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness. Turn the wheel, turn the wheel. Turn the wheel on, turn the wheel, turn the wheel. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So much
This is
fun.
when the woman is driving.
This is when the woman is driving the car.
I love to kill them. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh my. Turn the wheel, turn the wheel, turn the wheel. Turn the wheel, turn the wheel, turn the wheel, turn the wheel. Very good, turn. We are going behind, we are going behind. Okay, finish.
Okay, then.
Wow, that was so
I
much
enjoyed
fun.
So much. Guys, you should come to the Finland Park and enjoy the bumper car with your friends, with your partner. You'll enjoy it.
Definitely.
Come along with your friends here in Finland Park, Umsning.
Definitely. That's what it is. Thank you very much for having us. You have a great park here. We really enjoyed for the time, and I think so many people from Meghalaya, children and adults, they come with their families.
yes.
They enjoy here, and especially now in the, when it has been the studies and so on. So now they get a little bit, holidays.
Spare
They get,
time, yes.
they get a little bit fresh,
Yes.
refresh their mind and can go back to studies. So thank you very much.
Thanks
I
for coming,
appreciate
sir.
it.
Yeah.
Thank you more. Okay. Thank you very much for joining in this episode. We will see you